The lid of the pot alone weighs about 400 pounds, and the bottom pot weighs over 500 pounds. Junlian Earth mooncake is made using traditional. This family has been making mooncakes for 4 generations, dating back to the great-great-grandfather of the current craftsman. The furnace used to bake the mooncakes is an essential part of the entire process and never goes out. The craftsmen add around 1,500 pounds of charcoal to keep the fire burning. This constant heat provides the high temperature needed to bake the mooncakes, giving them a golden, crispy outer layer. Each generation has built on the previous one, ensuring that the craft is passed down and continuously refined. The mooncakes filling is what sets it apart. The ham is made from the hind legs of local pigs, smoked with cedar branches for 3 months. Every batch of mooncake filling is made with fresh meat. About 5 pigs, each weighing around 600 pounds, are slaughtered daily to ensure lean meat, no fatty parts are used. The fatty meat is reserved for rendering oil, which is used in other dishes. It's chopped just enough to see the fibers but still sticks together, providing a satisfying bite. About 300 pounds of beef are used daily, and all the meat is carefully hand-cut by the craftsmen. The meat filling is slow cooked for a long time, with each batch about 90 pounds. It takes roughly 30 minutes until the meat turns slightly golden, releasing its full aroma. Only high-quality soybean oil is used, and every detail is carefully controlled to ensure the rich flavor of the meat filling. Kneading the dough is a crucial step. Each batch of dough is kneaded for 20 minutes until the dough and oil are fully combined, achieving the perfect softness and smoothness. At this point, the dough is ready to wrap the mooncake filling. The dough fermentation begins at AM when the starter is placed in warm water to slowly awaken. When you press it with your fingertips, it should bounce back. This is the perfect state. To further enhance the taste, we add white sugar. The flour used for the mooncake filling is steamed. Steamed flour is smoother and finer, while raw flour cannot be used. To add a special flavor, we put in Sichuan pepper powder. Sichuan pepper powder is our secret ingredient, which makes the filling more distinctive and gives it a layered flavor. Once all the meat and other ingredients are mixed together, we simply stir them to ensure that the meat is evenly distributed. This way, every mooncake will have a rich amount of meat filling, making sure each bite is full of flavor. Kneading the dough is a crucial step. Each batch of dough is kneaded for 20 minutes until the dough and oil are fully combined, achieving the perfect softness and smoothness. At this point, the dough is ready to wrap the mooncake filling. The soul of making mooncakes lies in the handcrafting process. Around 20 people are involved each day, carefully adding the filling into each dough ball to ensure perfect proportions for every mooncake. Each mooncake is hand-sprinkled with sesame seeds to ensure even coverage. While machines can do the job, handcrafting results in a more even spread, giving the mooncakes a superior texture. This shop bakes its mooncakes using traditional charcoal, rather than modern ovens. Charcoal baking imparts a richer, smoky flavor and unique taste that an oven cannot replicate. The furnace temperature is around 500 F to 60 C, ensuring the mooncakes are evenly heated. Using an oven? No way! The mooncakes baked in an oven simply can't compare to the flavor of traditional charcoal baking. If you're not careful, the entire batch can burn. It requires exceptional skill, honed over years of experience. Once the mooncakes are baked, their golden, crispy skin and rich sesame aroma are irresistible. When you bite into them, you first taste the sesame fragrance, then the crispy crust, and inside, the large chunks of meat provide a savory, satisfying texture that feels like you're taking big bites of meat. These mooncakes are made only for 2 months a year, just before the Mid-Autumn Festival. After this season, the oiliness and flavor can no longer be restored to their peak.
Nice.